Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams apps for customer support ticket updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Microsoft Teams apps for customer support ticket updates, launch Microsoft Teams on your device. Navigate to the left sidebar and find the apps icon. Click on the apps icon to open the App Store. In the search bar, type customer support to find relevant apps. Review the available options and select an app that fits your support ticket needs. Once you've selected the desired app, click on the Install button. After installation, go back to the left sidebar and select Teams. Choose the team where you want to set up the app for ticket updates. Click on the three dots next to the team name to access the options menu. From the drop-down, select Add an app. Search for the app you just installed and click on it to add it to your team. Follow any prompts to configure the app settings based on your preferences. After configuration, you'll need to set up notifications for ticket updates. Navigate to the app settings within your team. Look for the notifications section and select how you'd like to be informed about updates. You can choose to receive updates via messages in a channel or direct messages. Once your notification preferences are set, save your changes. To test the setup, create a sample support ticket through the app. Monitor the channel or your direct messages for the ticket update notifications. Make any additional adjustments needed based on your testing. Ensure team members are informed about how to use the app for tracking ticket updates. Encourage them to provide feedback for further optimizations. Review the app's features regularly to stay updated on enhancements and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.